With me to start my new slime business. After months of planning, it's finally time to begin. I bought my first few ingredients off Walmart and we're gonna go ahead and pick them up. If you're watching this video, I want to introduce you to Bubbly Slimes. After going to Walmart and picking up our ingredients, here's what I got. I got 4 5-ounce bottles of clear glue, 8 4 ounces of white glue, and lastly some borax. I still have so much more ingredients to buy, but this is a good starting point. I freed out this shelf right here just to use for my slime ingredients, and just look how satisfying this looks. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.